everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you that how I make canvas board for my paintings. So let's get started. First of all, I'm taking a piece of cardboard and a buckram, and you can cut it according to the size of the cardboard and paste it on the surface of the cardboard. And now the canvas board is ready to be painted. I had made many canvas boards like these, which are in different sizes. You can also make according to your desired size. Let me paint on a canvas to show you that how good the canvas is made. And this blue paint, it is also made by my own. If you also want to know that how I made this, write down in the comment section. I will upload that too. Thank you.